Hello everyone, welcome to entry video. Listen, today I have you how to unhide column A row 1 in the Excel. Okay, so very easy. Now you look spring column A row 1, column A row 1. Now you unhide and select row 1, unhide. Okay, so how to unhide column A row 1? Okay, here I have two second way. The first way, you can select on, click here, select on, and then click format and select visibilities, high and high. Okay, so select unhide column. Okay, so now you look string column A, unhide column A display on the screen. Okay, so continue row 1, select on format and unhide row. Okay, so very easy. Okay, so unhide. Okay, so now second way to unhide column A row 1. Okay, now you brush your mouse here, brush your mouse. Okay, yeah. Okay, so column A display on the screen, display. Okay, continue row 1, brush your mouse here and brush your mouse. Okay, yeah. Okay, so okay, very easy. So you look column A and row 1 display. So okay, very easy. This video here. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.